It's a classic coasteering route with magnificent views, lots of adventure and a chance for a cool dip. We're counting down Hong Kong's 10 best hikes right here on Drone and Phone. Episode 2 in Hong Kong's 10 best hikes. We're counting them down. We're on number 9 today. What are we doing?
So we're here now on Mount Johnston, and later on we're going to climb up Ap Lei Pai and then do a little bit of coasteering.
I've got to say, this was not on my list. I'm surprised it made it, but it's a beautiful day, fantastic views. Let's get going.
Let's go. It's amazing.
There have been many attempts to rank Hong Kong's 10 best walks, but we believe we've come up with a formula that outdoes them all. We took weeks to gather data and come up with our top 10 list. For this adventure, we start at the Lei Tung MTR, take the elevator up from exit B, cross the bus station, and start our way up the back of Mount Johnston. It's a short, sharp start to the day. So here we have 3 staircases, and George is saying, it's this one over here. Not this one, not this one, but this one. There are ropes on the way up and down to help those who struggle on the steep hills.
Don't rely on the rope if you can. It's not very safe.
Yes, George, don't rely on the rope. Once you reach the summit, take time to take in the 360-degree panorama. This one is very special, with views over Ap Lei Chau to Aberdeen and the peak beyond on one side, and over Ap Lei Pai to Llama Island on the other.
Okay, so DJ is not very happy with my Polaroid, and he's gonna show me how he take a picture.
Have you got the wide angle lens on here?
No.
Have you got a wide angle lens?
No.
You don't?
No.
This is why it's okay.
You don't have to focus.
Where am I focusing? Okay, focus. Where do I press to go? This one?
Yeah. You know how to focus, right?
Yes, of course I know how to focus. Split screen. Once you get to the bottom and across the causeway to Ap Lei Pai, we suggest a direct route over the top to the lighthouse on the far side of the island. On a warmer day, there is a small natural pool for a quick dip to cool down. Okay, so we've reached the halfway point, George. Let's have a look around behind us. The lighthouse down there, and rather than going back over the path, which would be the easy way, we're going to go round. There's 2 ways round, an easy way and a tough way.
The easy way.
We're going to do the tough way. No. From here, coasteering starts as you wind your way around back to the causeway. So for this part, you really need to feel confident on going across the rocks. You've also got to watch for the tide. So the tide is going down as we're walking at the moment, so it's not too bad for us. Once off Ap Lei Pai, head left along the rocks. There's a lot of infrastructure with ropes, ladders and wooden bridges that makes coasteering here reasonably easy and a lot of fun. If you have time and want a spectacular spot for sunset, we suggest crossing over the harbour to Aberdeen and hiking halfway up Brick Hill. It's a perfect end to the day. Well, that's the end of this hike. Just over 4.5 kilometres, so quite an easy in terms of distance. But a lot of scrambling. George, how was it for you?
It was a great hike. It has a little bit of everything. You can scramble up, you can climb up, you can even swim over, coasteering, everything. I love it.
Yeah, it's a real adventure. Now, as always, please like and subscribe wherever you see this show. Also, if you have your 10 top walks, drop them down below. Let's hear them. And hit that subscribe button. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm George.
This is Drown and
Burn.
So here's a clue for next week, the 8th most popular walk.
So a little cool here. There are 8 immortals living there.
And he really struggled last time. Can't wait to see what he does. See you next week. If you know what it is, comment down below.